Hello, everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so excited to share my favorite recipes using leftover wonton wrappers. Get ready to have some fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, for these adorable little taco bowls, you're gonna need about 12 wonton wrappers, some cooking spray, and your favorite taco fillings. I'm talking seasoned ground beef, shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, sour cream, guacamole, you name it. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then gently press the wonton wrappers into a greased muffin tin, forming little cups. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they're nice and golden brown. Let them cool for a bit, then fill them up with all that taco goodness. Next up, we're getting a little fancy with some wonton wrapper ravioli. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. For this recipe, you'll need about 24 wonton wrappers, a cup of ricotta cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of chopped fresh herbs like basil and parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix all that cheesy goodness together in a bowl. Then place a spoonful of the mixture in the center of each wonton wrapper. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of the wrappers. Fold them over to create little triangles or squares, pressing down firmly to seal. Boil them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they float to the top. Serve them with your favorite pasta sauce, and bam! You got yourself a gourmet meal. Who doesn't love pizza? And these wonton wrapper pizza bites are the perfect little snacks or appetizers. You'll need about 12 wonton wrappers, some pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. I like pepperoni and mushrooms, but you do you. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the wonton wrappers on a baking sheet, then spread a spoonful of pizza sauce on each one. Sprinkle on some cheese and your toppings. Pop them in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and there you have it, pizza bites that are ready in a flash. For dessert, we're making mini apple pies that are out of this world. You'll need about 12 wonton wrappers, 2 apples, peeled and diced, a quarter cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of butter, and some water. Mix the apples, sugar, and cinnamon in a bowl. In a separate bowl, melt the butter and add a tablespoon of water. Brush the butter mixture on the wonton wrappers. Place a spoonful of the apple filling in the center of each wrapper. Fold them over to create little triangles or squares, pressing down firmly to seal. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let them cool slightly before serving. You won't believe how delicious these little pies are. There you have it, folks. 4 amazing recipes using leftover wonton wrappers. From savory taco bowls to sweet apple pies, there's something for everyone. I hope you have as much fun making these recipes as I did. Remember to get creative in the kitchen and don't be afraid to experiment. And hey, if you come up with any other awesome wonton wrapper creations, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay delicious.